Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at where you can buy your product key flash drive for FabriCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. Today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back to the tutorial here. Now, in order to run the program, you will see if we go here, we've just installed it. We go to our start menu, go run FabriCAM, and then it will give us this error. Let me just move it here so we can see. I'll zoom in for you guys. It says here, please plug in the USB dongle and restart the software. So now, in order to run the actual software, we're going to be needing a USB dongle that's got your product key on it. So it's like a secure way to make sure your program stays safe. It's only you using it. Now there's two ways we can go about getting it, or it's one way, but two ways to get to the same location. The one is where we've downloaded our product. So under the cncu.co.za website, so if I zoom in there, so you can go there. And then on top here, we've got an option called Buy CNC Software. I'll zoom in again just so you guys can see it nicely. So as you can see there, Buy CNC Software. So now if you click that, it's going to take you to buy this.co.za software. So now what we can do from here, we can go down here to the list software and we can manually go look for it. Or what you can do is you go to the search option. Click on the search all, and we've changed that to software. Then we can type in here FabriCAM, click search, and then we just wait for the results. Now you'll notice they've got a few different things. They've got like add-on modules which we won't be using, so we want to look for this 3 packages that's relevant to us. So we've got the one X FabriCAM Pro, so we've got so this is the professional package, then we've got the essential package, and then at the bottom here we also have an upgrade from essential to professional. Now these prices might vary depending on when you look at it and if there's discount at the time and so forth. So then what you can do, the one you like, you can simply just click on the product, and then you can choose how many of these product keys you want to buy, and then there's a basic description about it, also what you'll be getting, and then some more other relevant information about the product. And then you can simply go to buy this, and then go to your checkout or view cart, and then you fill in all the rest like you would be doing with a normal product. So we've got here the free shipping, which comes with buy this. You can also pick it up at the actual warehouse, and then we've got your address. Make sure you put all this information in. Then so like I said, this section is pretty much like buying anything else online. Then you simply wait for your product to arrive, and then your program should be working. But yeah, otherwise, in the meanwhile, if you head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and until next one, cheers.